minutes out of a round.
Understand the rules, listen to me at all times, protect yourselves at all times. If you want to touch gloves now. Back to your corners. Judge, time. Ready? Choke.
Referee Ricky Swell in charge of this one. $100,000 is a life-changing contract that could lead to millions, alongside becoming a global icon in the world's largest martial arts organization, One Championship. You see immediately a fast start from Kabutov and a strong kicking game coming from ДЖАРУАДСУК.
We've seen so much from Kabutov here. The Friday fights, we really do know what to expect from him. That's why we know he's such an exciting fighter. The debutant ДЖАРУАДСУK. He's new here, and he really needs to show us what he's got.
ДЖАРУАДСУK is so relaxed and so comfortable in the ring. And the only way that you get that is from experience. He's got 75 wins in kickboxing and Muay Thai. 75 wins. That is so much experience. This is a day job for him. This is another day in the office.
But equally, ШЕРЗОТ КАБУТОВ, 62 wins to his name. No slouch in the experience department as well. And as you can see, Kabutov sticking to the game plan, waiting for ДЖАРУАДСУK to kick, to find his openings with the hands. But ДЖАРУАДСУK with a couple beautiful left straights to the head of Kabutov.
Kabutov really has been in there with the best of them. The list is extensive. Gontorani, Jorfa, Nathrob, Purich. These are high-level fighters, and Kabutov has got toe-to-toe with all of them.
One thing that you'll see that's unique about this matchup, they have opposite stances. This is a southpaw versus an orthodox fighter. And that means they're going to use their rear weapons. The rear kick for the orthodox fighter, the right kick for the southpaw, the left kick. They're also going to use the rear hand, the straight. Maybe set it up with the lead hook, but it all comes down to how effectively you can use those rear weapons.
You see some damage there on the eye already of ДЖАРУАДСУK from the counter punching of Kabutov. Kabutov, a special athlete, able to attack from both the orthodox and southpaw stances, which makes him so dangerous.
Very nice elbows from Kabutov as ДЖАРУАДСУK rushed to close the distance, and then you see that spinning kick there. Beautiful thing to watch.
Yeah, ДЖАРУАДСУK is going to have to be careful, because even as composed as he is and as technical as he is, that spinning stuff that's going to come from Kabutov is really hard to pick up and get a visual of.
Kabutov doing a great job of wrapping up the double underhooks every time they enter the clinch, shutting down those big elbows from ДЖАРУАДСУK. That was a big left kick there, and a counter left from Kabutov. Contrasting styles in the first round between Kabutov and ДЖАРУАДСУK.
Барыңар жаңа жылга белек алгыңар келет. А бизге белек берип, кубандырган жагат. 31 декабрга чейин гана Сайма ар бир абонентине 6 ай бою акысыз интернет менен телевидение тартуулайт. Дароо азыр 0708 909 000 номери боюнча Саймага чалгыла. Болгону 2 ай төлөп, жайга чейин ырахаттангыла. Саймага туташып, көңүлүңөрдү көтөргүлө.
To join the ranks of the best fighters in the world in One Championship, ДЖАРУАДСУK an incredible 75 wins, Kabutov 62 wins.
And you can already see the redness of the inner thigh, the right leg, of ДЖАРУАДСУK. The kicks from Kabutov are so fast, I didn't even see which ones landed, but this mincemeat there is the upper thigh.
That was a beautiful spinning attack from Kabutov. It landed cleanly, and it's going to make ДЖАРУАДСУK uncomfortable.
ДЖАРУАДСУK, a former Navy, has been spending some time in a Navy Muay Thai camp where they all have crisp boxing combinations. And you see that ДЖАРУАДСУK with a couple beautiful left hands pushing Kabutov back. Alongside that dangerous left kick, it is a tough wall to get past, but Kabutov believes speed and power will be his advantage.
Kabutov really looking like he's starting to find his range, landing at will with the inside kick there. You see it again.
Well, and Kabutov doing something really simple just a few moments ago. He didn't want to engage in the clinch. He just pushed JARUADSUK back and threw a strike. It's simple, but it's so effective.
Very dangerous game for Kabutov to play. Has to be either outside or inside as he hits another counter left from JARUADSUK.
JARUADSUK ready to throw leather. This man is not going to go down without a fight against a very dangerous opponent in Kabutov.
JARUADSUK is hunting for that clinch position. He hasn't got to do a lot of work there yet, but when he does, he's going to look to unleash some knees and a cut with the elbow.
Beautiful intercepting elbow there from JARUADSUK. Timed it so well as Kabutov stepped forward. Starting to find his rhythm in the second round is JARUADSUK. But do not count Kabutov out again. High risk, high reward. Kabutov can end the night at any given moment.
It's the footwork of Kabutov that enables him to just come up with these strikes from really unorthodox angles. Really is beautiful to watch.
The downside with the spinning attack game is that over time, your opponent will start to recognize those spinning attacks and when they're going to start. Oh, nice high kick there from Kabutov.
Kabutov with a beautiful right high kick. But it has been that missile-like left hand of JARUADSUK in the second round. A nice left hand there from Kabutov as they tangle up inside the clinch.
Kabutov striking definitely looking accurate tonight, but JARUADSUK is in zombie mode. He is tracking and hunting Kabutov down and taking shots while he does it.
100% he is finding the range for that left.
Is one, and how badly do they want the pot-up goal at the end of the rainbow? How badly do they want a ticket to the top of the mountain? The key is to let it all hang out here and dominate in this third and final round.
That right inside left kick to the high thigh of JARUADSUK has been money for Kabutov all fight long. But the Thai fire, he's not giving any inch here. No quarter whatsoever. He's willing to give it all out there.
Kabutov keeps pulling on the spinning techniques and they keep landing. In reaction, JARUADSUK was doing a great job with the left straight. When they get close, now he's found range for the elbow. Both of these guys have chosen weapons that could end the fight.
In a game of momentum, neither man willing to step down. Kabutov and JARUADSUK turn it up in this third and final round.
These are the kind of exciting matches that we're so used to seeing Kabutov in. And JARUADSUK here stepping up to the plate, showing that he also deserves to be here.
Kabutov's just got to be careful that he doesn't get too wild. Now you see JARUADSUK moving forward. He's ready in this third round to close the distance and do some work at that clinching range.
The left hand of JARUADSUK so deceptive. Such a long-range weapon, and he's pairing it up now with that left elbow. Kabutov with the spinning attacks. Can he find that one counter shot that he has been looking for?
Big pressure from JARUADSUK, starting to get the timing and the read of Kabutov's spinning attacks. But this one looks like it might go down to the wire unless we see something in bag, unless we see someone really pull something out of the bag here.
Absolutely. What I really like right now what Kabutov is doing is he knows what makes JARUADSUK uncomfortable, and he's sticking with it. He's just got to be careful because JARUADSUK is going to really be hunting for the elbows here at this close range.
Kabutov looking to tie up JARUADSUK, prevent those dangerous elbows. Oh, a nice kick to the face there by Kabutov, and a jab to follow, but JARUADSUK with a left knee on the inside.
Momentarily, had JARUADSUK on the ice, but he seems to have recovered again. Back to zombie mode. He's pushing forward. He really is hungry in his debut. He wants to show us why he deserves to be here. This is an amazing performance from the young man.
So much experience JARUADSUK has. He is relying on that knowledge that he gained from all 75 of those wins to really stay in this fight here.
Elbow attempted from JARUADSUK. Kabutov with the light footwork. Look for him to explode. A nice left hand. And Kabutov with a response. They go toe to toe as we enter the final seconds.
this round. 3 rounds of exciting.
By split decision.
Jaruadsuk picks up the split decision victory, and a visibly dejected Kabutov, who really gave it his all, but